Choosing the right windows is an important decision for any homeowner. Pre-made windows offer a convenient and cost-effective solution, but selecting the best option requires careful consideration. For homeowners in Baltimore, factors such as climate, energy efficiency, style, and long-term performance play a major role in making the right choice. Understanding what to look for can help ensure your investment delivers comfort, durability, and value. Understanding what pre-made windows are manufactured in standard sizes and designs, making them readily available and often more affordable than custom-built options. They are designed to fit common window openings and can be installed quickly, reducing labor time and overall project costs. For Baltimore homeowners, pre-made windows provide an efficient option when replacing existing windows without making structural changes. Climate and weather considerations. Baltimore experiences a mix of seasonal conditions, including hot summers, cold winters, and periods of high humidity. Windows need to withstand temperature changes while maintaining a tight seal. When choosing pre-made windows, look for models designed to handle moisture and prevent air leakage. Durable frames and quality weather stripping help protect your home from drafts and humidity, ensuring year-round comfort. Energy efficiency and insulation. Energy efficiency is a key factor when selecting pre-made windows. Windows with insulated glass, multiple panes, and low emissivity coatings help reduce heat transfer. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. For Baltimore residents, energy-efficient pre-made windows can lead to lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Always check performance ratings to ensure the windows meet modern efficiency standards. Frame materials and durability. The frame material affects both appearance and longevity. Common pre-made window materials include vinyl, aluminum, wood, and composite options. Each material offers different benefits in terms of maintenance, insulation, and durability. Baltimore homeowners often choose materials that resist moisture damage and require minimal upkeep, ensuring long-lasting performance without constant maintenance. Style and home aesthetics. Pre-made windows come in a variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and picture windows. Selecting a style that complements your home's architecture enhances both interior comfort and exterior appeal. In Baltimore, maintaining a cohesive look is important for preserving curb appeal. Consider how window style, color, and finish will blend with your home's overall design. Proper fit and installation requirements. Even though pre-made windows are standard-sized, accurate measurements are critical. A poor fit can lead to drafts, leaks, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures the windows are properly aligned and securely sealed. For Baltimore homeowners, expert installation helps maximize window performance and extends the lifespan of the product. Budget and long-term value. Pre-made windows are often more budget-friendly upfront, but it's important to consider long-term value. Higher quality windows may cost more initially but can save money over time through reduced maintenance and energy savings. Balancing cost with quality ensures Baltimore homeowners get the best return on their investment. Making the right choice for Baltimore homes. Choosing pre-made windows involves more than selecting a standard size. By considering climate performance, energy efficiency, materials, style, and professional installation, Baltimore homeowners can confidently select windows that enhance comfort, efficiency, and home value for years to come.